Everyone, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace NC. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday. Listen, I had the same wig on for a party last week and no one believes it's the same wig. And it got me thinking, are you guys wearing your wigs in different ways or are you just wearing it one way? Please, it's a rhythm wig. You can mix it up, you can style it differently, and you can get a lot of variety from the same wig. So I'm going to show you a picture of how I looked for the party. I was really glammed up. And then this is the same wig. So the only difference is the one that I wore at the party, I did not diffuse it. I air dried it, right? So after I shampooed, conditioned, I just used the wet brush to brush it through, and I did put it on a t-shirt to take most of the moisture out, but then I just shook it. I didn't use the diffuser, I just shook it and put it on the wig stand and let it air dry that way. And so it came much more bushy, like an afro, and I love it that way. But I also like it this way, where I did the full wet brush and the Denman brush, the 9-row Denman brush to clump the curls. And it's been maybe 2 or 3 days since I've done it. So it's starting to get a little fuller, but you can see the curls are a lot more defined. Yeah, so I really like this look. I call this zhuzhing. You don't pat, you zhuzh, right? So yeah, I really love this look. The next time I do a maintenance on this wig, or even before I do that, I just may wet it and do a 2-strand twist. You can do that on the shorter wigs also. That would be really, really cute. So yeah, so mix it up. That's why you bought a rhythm wig, or that's why you are gonna buy a rhythm wig, is because you can get so many different looks from a single wig. So that's all I had for you this week. Thank you for watching. Please have a wonderful, wonderful week. Bye.